Hell yeah, what's up guys, it's Curse Pike. My friends call me Big C. I'm back again guys, and today I'm looking at Halo 4. I got a copy of the exclusive trailer. It's been out a month or two, or maybe longer now, but I wanted to take a look at it. The reason why is A, I love Halo games. I was never that good at them. I love them, and this trailer's pretty baller. Guys, just so you know, Halo 4, you can now do pre-orders. I haven't got my copy yet, but I just heard about this today. The reason behind this trailer is because a lot of people are saying in 2012 the Mayans predicted the end of the world, and that's BS. The Mayans predicted the return of Master Chief. I'm sure of it, guys, and I'm pretty sure he's hauling ass right here. And there he is. Wake up, Chief. It's rock and roll time. Ooh, Star Wars looking thing, but whatever. Guys, just so you know, this is now being developed by 343. It is a new game developer. It's no longer Bungie, although I have heard that a large chunk of the Bungie developers have gone to 343, so that's why you'll notice some of the similarities, yet there appears to be a lot of differences. Also, there appears to be a massive fire in outer space. Not sure if that's supposed to happen with reduced oxygen content, but I'm not going to look into that. So anyways, guys, leave some comments. Are you going to be buying this game? Add me on Xbox. It's BYGCE.